Hello humans! In part 6 of this video series we talked about type 1 verb conjugation. We'll continue on that topic in this video where we will cover the consonant gradation in this verb type. Be sure to watch the video all the way through for exercises and examples on spoken language. Let's go! Let's examine a text example that shows type 1 verbs in use. Nukun 8 tuntia joka yö. Aamulla annan kissalle ruokaa ja lähden töihin. Töissä asiakas puhuu englantia. En ymmärrä. Aside from the verb puhua, all the other verbs demonstrate consonant gradation, because they contain the consonants K, P, and T. If consonant gradation sounds unfamiliar to you, it's a good idea to review video number 5 in this series, the concept of gradation. However, now it's time to move on. The verb nukkua is a great place to start. In type 1 verbs, the first and second person form gradation is always weak, as in minä nukun, sinä nukut. The third person form, however, is always strong, hän nukkuu. The same rules apply to plural form. The first and second person are weak, and the third person is strong. Minä nukun, sinä nukut, hän nukkuu. Me nukumme, te nukutte, he nukkuvat. The same system applies to all type 1 verbs, so let's look at another one. Lähteä. The first and second person demonstrate weak gradation, while the third person is strong. Minä lähden, sinä lähdet, hän lähtee. The same goes with the plural forms. Me lähdemme, te lähdette, he lähtevät. Very important thing to note is that also the infinitive form of type 1 verbs always has strong gradation. This is very useful information later on, so don't forget it. The negative forms follow exactly the same logic as the positive. Since the first person form has weak gradation, so do the negative forms. Minä en nuku, sinä et nuku, hän ei nuku. Me emme nuku, te ette nuku, he eivät nuku. Nothing too complicated, eh? If you find this video helpful so far, remember to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. This helps me reach more learners and keeps me making more videos. Okay, let's move along. Let's practice conjugating a type 1 verb with gradation. Pick up a pen and paper and write down the positive and negative forms of the verb ottaa in all 6 personas. Pause the video while you write, and after you're done, resume playing and check the correct answers. Ready? Pause the video now. All done? Let's check the correct answers. Remember to check that you have the correct amount of consonants in every verb. You can pause the video one more time to check your answers at your leisure, and when you are done, you can resume. Okay? Let's keep on going. The spoken forms follow the rules we set out in an earlier video. The personal pronouns are changed to their spoken counterparts. The me persona uses the me passive form, and third person forms are the same in both plural and singular form. In southern Finland, the verb lähteä would look like this. Mä lähen. Sä lähet. Se lähtee. Me lähetään. Te lähette. Ne lähtee. Note that in this verb, the letter D, as in minä lähden, sinä lähdet, is lost. The same happens in the Eastern Finnish forms, only the personal pronouns are different. Mie lähen, sie lähet, se lähtee. Me lähetään, te lähette, ne lähtee. Okay? Clear enough? Let's keep going. The negative form follows the same logic as the positive, also in all spoken language. Mä en lähe. Sä et lähe. Se ei lähe. Me ei lähetä. Te ette lähe. Ne ei lähe. Note the third person plural, which uses the same negation ei as the singular form. All clear? Let's keep going. Let's practice conjugating a spoken language verb. Again, pick up a pen and paper and write down the positive and negative forms of the verb ottaa in all 6 personas. Pause the video while you write, and after you're done, resume playing and check the correct answers. Ready? Pause the video now. All done? Let's check the correct answers. Remember to check that you have the correct amount of consonants in every verb. You can pause the video one more time to check your answers at your leisure, and when you are done, you can resume. Okay? Time to move on. And that's all. I hope to see your questions and comments below this video. Hopefully you learned a lot from this video. Hey pop!